You might find this hard to believe at first, but there are a few simple natural juices that can actually help rebuild and refresh your eyesight while you rest at night. It may sound unusual, but many older people wake up every morning feeling like their vision just is not what it used to be, even after a full night of sleep. You close your eyes hoping to feel rested, yet you open them and realize the world still looks a little dull or hazy. That small sinking feeling returns as you think, why does everything still look unclear? Is my eyesight getting worse again? The truth is, you are not imagining it. Millions of older adults experience the same quiet frustration every single day. For many, this is not just about blurry vision. It is about losing a bit of freedom, a bit of confidence, and the ability to live life fully. It is about the fear of driving at night or missing the bright look on your grandchild's face, or feeling as if life itself is slowly fading out of focus. That is the real pain behind poor vision, and it is both frustrating and heartbreaking. The good news is that there are ways to support your eyesight naturally without costly pills or treatments. In fact, there are 3 simple juices made from everyday vegetables that can help strengthen your vision, especially while you sleep. These are ingredients you may already have in your kitchen, and they can make a real difference when used at the right time of day. In this guide, you will learn about each juice, how it works, when to drink it, and why it could be the missing step in your nighttime vision care routine. So stay with me until the end, especially if you are over 60, because what you are about to learn could change the way you protect your eyes for the rest of your life. Let us start with the first juice, a classic that has supported eye health for generations. Carrot juice. It may seem ordinary and simple, but it is one of the strongest natural allies your eyes could ever ask for. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for the retina, which is the part of your eye responsible for capturing light and sending visual signals to your brain. Think of the retina like the film in an old camera. Without enough vitamin A, that film cannot process images correctly, and your vision becomes blurry or dim, especially in the dark. That is why a lack of vitamin A can lead to night blindness, dry eyes, and even early degeneration of retinal tissue. When you drink carrot juice before bed, you are giving your body the exact building blocks it needs for overnight repair. Nighttime is when your body enters its natural regeneration phase, and your eyes are no exception. During sleep, the tissues behind your eyes work to restore themselves, but they can only do that if you supply them with the right nutrients. A simple juice made from 2 medium carrots blended with a little water and a teaspoon of olive oil is all you need. The healthy fat helps your body absorb the vitamin A more efficiently. You do not need fancy machines or rare ingredients. Just a glass of this golden drink before bed can help feed your eyes what they have been missing. I once heard about a woman in her late 60s who started drinking carrot juice before bedtime. After a few weeks, she noticed something subtle yet life-changing. One night, she picked up her favorite book and realized she could read without turning on the lamp. That moment filled her with quiet joy because she had not changed anything else in her life. Sometimes a small and consistent habit can make a major difference, especially when done at the right time of day. Now, let us move on to the second juice. This one might surprise you because it is not just about feeding your eyes directly. It is about improving everything that supplies your eyes with nourishment. The star here is beet juice. Yes, the same deep red root that many people push aside on their plates is a hidden powerhouse for circulation and oxygen delivery. Your eyes rely heavily on healthy blood flow to function well. The retina is one of the most oxygen-hungry parts of your body. Even when you are asleep, your eyes require a steady stream of oxygen, rich blood to continue healing and maintaining focus. As we age, our blood vessels naturally stiffen and circulation slows down. Nitric oxide, a natural compound that relaxes and opens blood vessels, also declines with age. This reduced flow means your eyes receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients, which can cause tired vision, dull colors, and slower focus. This is where beet juice steps in. Beets are one of nature's richest sources of nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound relaxes and widens your blood vessels, allowing for better circulation. When blood flow improves, it nourishes not only your heart and muscles, but also the tiny capillaries behind your eyes. That means more oxygen, more nutrients, and better repair during sleep. To use beet juice effectively, start with a small serving, about 4 to 6 ounces, mixed with a bit of water. Drink it an hour or two before bed so your body has time to process it before you rest. This helps the nitric oxide levels rise while your system is preparing for deep restoration. Some people notice a mild reddish color in their urine or stool after drinking beet juice, but that is harmless and completely normal. If you do not like the earthy flavor, you can blend it with half an apple or a slice of lemon for a smoother taste. The goal is to keep it simple and natural because the power of beet juice lies in its pure nutrients, not in complicated recipes. Think of it this way. Carrot juice gives your body the raw materials for rebuilding vision cells, while beet juice clears and widens the roads that carry those materials to your eyes. When used together, they form a strong team, one repairing the tissues and the other improving circulation to make that repair possible. But there is still one more juice that completes the trio. This one works like an invisible shield, protecting your eyes from long-term damage while you sleep. That final juice is made from spinach. Many people see spinach as just another salad green, but inside those leaves lies a powerful mix of antioxidants that your eyes need to stay clear and strong. The heroes in spinach are two key compounds called lutein and zeaxanthin. These are protective pigments that concentrate in the macula, the small part of your retina that controls sharp central vision. This is the part of your eyesight that helps you read recognized faces and drive safely. As you age, the macula becomes vulnerable to oxidative stress and light damage, which slowly wear it down. The body cannot produce lutein or zeaxanthin on its own, so you must get them from your diet. Spinach happens to be one of the richest natural sources available. Regular intake of these nutrients has been shown to slow or even reduce the progression of age-related macular decline. That means clearer, sharper vision for longer. When spinach is juiced raw, it delivers a concentrated burst of these antioxidants directly into your bloodstream, where they can reach your eyes faster. Drinking spinach juice before bed gives your body a steady flow of protection as you rest. Think of lutein and zeaxanthin as gentle guards that patrol your retina through the night, shielding it from oxidation and light-related wear. You do not need much. A handful of fresh spinach blended with a bit of cucumber or green apple makes a light, refreshing drink. Adding a small slice of avocado or a splash of flaxseed oil helps with the absorption of these fat-soluble nutrients. Spinach also contains vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, and natural nitrates, which work together to strengthen circulation and cellular energy. While most people ignore these greens, spinach can quietly help you preserve your vision. For years to come, if you make it part of your routine, now that you know the three juices, carrot, beet, and Spinach, you might be wondering how to combine them into a simple schedule. The beauty of this plan is that it does not require drastic changes. You only need a few minutes each evening to prepare, and the results build up over time. You can rotate them throughout the week to keep things balanced. For example, you can have carrot juice on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, beet juice on Tuesday and Friday, and spinach juice on the remaining days. This rotation gives your eyes a mix of nutrient circulation support and antioxidants throughout the week. Each serving should be about 4 to 6 ounces, not more. If you're sensitive to natural sugars or if you have diabetes, you can dilute the juice with water or pair it with a small protein rich snack such as a few almonds or half a boiled egg. This helps balance blood sugar while still allowing your body to absorb the nutrients. The best time to drink the juice is about 1 hour before going to bed. This timing ensures that your body starts digesting and using the nutrients as you fall asleep. During that period, your body directs energy toward repair and recovery. So it is the perfect time to give your eyes what they need. Fresh juice is always better than bottled. Many store-bought options are pasteurized at high temperatures, which can destroy delicate nutrients, like vitamin A, lutein, and nitrates. If you cannot make juice every night, you can prepare a few servings in advance and keep them in tightly sealed containers in the fridge for up to 2 days. The key is consistency, not perfection. If you miss a day, do not stress, just continue the next night. Over time, these small choices add up. Remember, these juices are not meant to replace your eye doctor or any treatment you may need. They are meant to support your body's natural ability to repair itself. When used regularly, they can help your eyes feel less strained in the morning, your focus sharper, and your overall confidence stronger. What matters most is creating a gentle rhythm that nourishes your body night after night. Now, I want to leave you with an encouraging message. If you have been feeling worried that your eyesight is slipping away with age, please do not lose hope. It is not too late. It does not matter if you are 60, 70, or even 85. Your body still wants to heal and your eyes still want to see clearly. Many vision problems that come with age are not sudden or permanent. They are often the result of years of small nutritional gaps, poor circulation, or oxidative stress building up slowly. The great thing about the human body is that it is always ready to repair itself. When given the right tools, carrot, beet, and spinach juices are not magic solutions. They are natural tools that allow your body to do what it is designed to do: restore and protect itself. Each time you choose one of these juices, you are making a small but powerful decision to care for yourself. You are sending your body the message that you have not given up on your health. And your body listens to that message. So wherever you are in your journey, whether you are just starting or already making changes, know that you are not alone and you are not powerless. These simple nightly habits can help you wake up seeing the world with more clarity and brightness than before. Keep showing up for your health every day, even in small ways. The path to better vision starts not with expensive procedures, but with small acts of care repeated over time. If this message inspires you, share it with someone who may need hope or guidance. And remember, every time you choose to nourish your eyes, you are choosing to see more of life itself. With steady effort and faith, your best days of clear, bright vision may still be ahead of you.